Hello everyone, in this video we'll make Ddakji. Ddakji is a little toy Korean children's played with. Long time ago, I and my brother made a lot of this and we played together. And sometimes we make one and we make really huge one and we call it Ddakji. Ddakji, Wang means king and Ddakji means this. And sometimes we made another piece of paper here and then we made double Ddakji, 쌍딱지. So we will see how we can make it out of paper. So let's pick two opposite colors like this. So I'd like to make one with the red color, and let me go with the pink together. All right, so we have two pieces of colors like that, and we are going to use origami paper. So for the length and width, and I'd like to have a good size for making Ddakji. So I'd like to divide one side by 3. So in real life, we are not going to measure and divide into 3 in numbers, and then we cut the paper by using the ruler, okay? So we will just fold together and think about making 1/3 of the spot, okay? And press a little bit, and that's it. So all the way from one to the other, and you can make approximately, not exact, but that's all right. Let it go, okay? And I have folded lines, and I have 1/3 of this shape. So out of a square, I got 1/3, and it is a rectangle now. Do the same thing, okay? This is a square, so horizontally, vertically, it's same. Each side has the same length, and you are not just folding it and then doing it like that, okay? So one edge, use the paper, move it along a little bit, so you can have a good 1/3, 2/3 hole. The other side, the same thing, move it a little bit, okay? And then you can push it down, right? Push down. So that's how you make 1/3 of this origami paper and fold along those lines, okay? And this will be a little bit thicker, 3 times thicker than the piece of paper, and make it shape just like this, okay? Cross shape, one on top of it and the other one. And we will make the other, you see, 1, 2, 3 parts, 1, 2, 3 parts, and we will fold one corner, making a triangular shape like that, okay? And then we are going to fold along like this, okay? So put the middle one, put the one in the middle here, and then make a parallelogram. What? We just said parallelogram. Okay. The pink color is a shape of parallelogram. Inside you see a square. Outer you see 45, 45, 90 degree right triangle, right? Yeah. Just fold the corner. And make sure it has a spinning wheel shape, okay? Rotate it and then do the same thing here, same direction, okay? You lift the corner up and do the same way, okay? And same way, and lift to the corner and have the parallelogram shape. If you have all parallelogram shape, all are congruent like that, right? All fits together. So that's a good thing. If it is not together like that, you did something wrong, okay? And flip it, and then you can see the same thing. And now you fold along this edge to make a square shape, one at a time in turn. So fold it and overlapping a little bit, that's okay. You can let it go, okay? And that's called the error. That's all right. Let it go and keep making it. And the last part, this tip of the corner will slide through this pocket. Okay, slide through this pocket so you can form the shape. Okay. All right. So we see nice. Ddakji, Ddakji. There is no double D sound in English. We say Ddakji, no, Ddakji, Ddakji. So that's spelled DD, but we don't have that kind of strong sound in English, but we will say Ddakji, okay? So we have two Ddakji, and we can play like this. You have the bottom part and top part. You are hitting one to the other one, and you are, because of this strong hit, and the other one is flipping like that, and this guy is winning the game. Okay, so if you put your shape like this, because of the space a little bit, it is easier to get flipped, right? And then the player is losing the point. So this is how we make Ddakji. Thanks for watching the video. Make your own and play Ddakji.